Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing both devices. Put your Airpods in pairing mode and confirm they have charge. Next, plug a compatible Bluetooth USB adapter into the Series X rear port. The console does not natively pair Airpods. Once done, power on the Xbox and sign into your profile, then open the guide and go to Profile and System so settings are ready. This gets the hardware and account positioned correctly, which speeds the actual audio pairing step that follows. With the adapter inserted, wait a few seconds for the Xbox to recognize the dongle. You may see a notification. Then navigate to Settings, choose Devices and Connections, and select the appropriate accessory or Bluetooth option. This route lets the console search for external audio devices. Put your AirPods into pairing mode by holding the case button until the LED flashes. Once the Xbox detects them, choose Pair. Make sure you select the adapter as the output if multiple devices appear. After pairing, open Guide and go to Audio Settings to set the output device to the AirPods via the adapter and adjust volume to a comfortable level. If you notice audio lag or the AirPods mic isn't recognized, use the Xbox mobile app for party chat or switch to a wired controller headset for voice. If pairing fails, unpair and rerun Discovery, restart the console, and check the adapter manufacturer for firmware updates. These steps resolve most connectivity hiccups and restore stable audio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.